Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski, your Com 101 instructor for the fall. I would like to begin this very first screencast video, I should say weekly screencast video, just letting everyone know that I do teach three separate sections of Com 101 here at Moraine Valley. So you may or may not see your particular section come up in the Canvas unit I choose that week. However, I can assure you that the schedule and all the items that I mentioned and discuss in the weekly screen class apply to your section. So, as you can see here on the home page, we have the course orientation video announcement here, where you can pick up the Com 101 course orientation and view that particular video. I'm going to roll over to the announcements tab and open up the weekly schedule, where I'll have the screencast video embedded here in the announcement. So just to go over some of the basics for the week, this is a lot of getting acquainted type activities. We have the student questionnaire and also the discussion board. Number one, getting to know you, where you introduce yourself to the class, and where everybody gets a chance to talk about themselves and respond to, I believe, 3 different classmates to try to build some sense of community, camaraderie over the course of the semester. The way we will do that is in the discussion boards. Also, you will have a module quiz that will be due toward the end of the week on Sunday. As you can see here, this discussion board number 1, the responses will be due to the getting to know you discussion board. And then I have a syllabus and Google Drive exercise that's embedded in the module. So from the course orientation video, everyone should be aware that all of our information is going to be organized in modules. So I have course orientation activities is the very first module. You're going to want to take time to read through each individual source here in each page, which will help you become orientated with how we do things in Google Drive and Canvas training and Canvas guides and the help desk. One thing you should run through is the frequently asked questions about online learning. We'll have more videos coming out this week about how to go about learning online. Always excellent basis to start at the beginning of the semester. All right, and then campus support services, I'll leave this all up if you need anything. Disability services, academic advising, counseling, financial aid, the library, speaking and writing center. If you struggle, even though we're all remote this semester, the speaking and writing center, the tutoring center is there to help you. All right, they've got some tech tutors and testing services, and the main tutoring center, the academic skills center, is also available to students. So these are all are the resources that you have available to you in the Canvas site. Also here we have the Google Drive instructions about how we will use Google Drive throughout the semester. I urge everyone to look at the video tutorial. It's very important to run through those Google Drive instructions. And also you have the tips to succeed. Nice little video here and some information from the college about how to go about being able to succeed in online courses and then also in college in general. All right, so I have a student questionnaire assignment. I'll give you some experience in opening up and submitting to an assignment. Okay, and also last but not least, we have a syllabus and Google Drive exercise. So these are the activities for the week. A lot of the points that are awarded in the beginning portion of the course, in the course orientation, are considered what I consider bonus points. All right. So we talk about discussion board expectations. And also here is discussion board number 1, how you want to begin your discussion, how do you want to communicate with your classmates. This is always an interesting discussion board. I always enjoy reading about other students and who they are, what they like, and actually get a chance to witness the collaboration among students. So you have these activities. Here's the getting started module quiz, which is pretty straightforward. It'll give you some experience in quizzes, although I don't use a lot of quizzes in this particular course, but it is always good to know how to take a quiz in Canvas. All right, so this is our modules here for in our activities for course orientation activities. Please work through everything is straightforward. All of the help questions are up, all the help issues are up there in Canvas. All right, the syllabus and Google Drive exercise is always one that carries some nice bonus points. Your discussion board, okay? All of these activities, you get to earn yourself some points, and actually they're not even figured into the course, 1,000 points of all the assignments. All right, so this is the activities for the week. So we're going to take a look back at the announcements one more time at the schedule here of when items will be due. Everything is due end of day, which is 11:59. Here will be your reading and viewing assignments. Come about Thursday, I'll put out a lecture about the syllabus, and toward the end of the week, just before everybody gets working on the syllabus in Google Drive, I will help clarify that with Google Drive. So that should get us going for the beginning days of this fall 2020 semester. I want to wish everybody good luck. If you have any questions, at all, please send me an email. Stay safe out there. Good luck.